everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a taste test video with Emily. Emily is Jason's younger sister, and if you don't know who Jason is, then be sure to click the link in the description below where I show you guys a video featuring him. So today we're going to be doing taste tests of different foods and snacks and chips that are kind of weird from the dollar store and from the grocery store here in Canada. So without further ado, let's get with the video. So the first candy is the Jolly Rancher Fruity Sours. It has watermelon, blue raspberry, green apple, and cherry, and it looks like this. Is there a flavor that you want in particular?
Nope.
You don't have a favorite? Watermelon, blue raspberry, green apple, or cherry?
Probably the green apple.
I wonder if they're actually going to be sour.
I guess.
Still hard. I'll have blue raspberry. You ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
They're
They're not really sour though.
Tastes like an apple.
Okay, out of 5, what would you rate this?
4. Probably. No, 3.
I would rate it 3. Would you buy them again?
No.
Me neither. Okay, next one we're gonna try are the Doritos Guacamole. Do you like guacamole?
No.
Do you like avocados at all?
No.
So you're probably not gonna like this. Apparently it's stimulated flavor and it's limited edition. Oh, you have to try it. Ew, they look gross. They look they look disgusting. Here. Hold that, don't eat it yet. What do they smell like?
Dorito.
They do smell like Doritos actually. So hopefully they taste normal.
I'm trying to swallow my thing.
They don't taste like guacamole. It's fine, I have to eat it. They taste kind of like lime. Like, have you had the chips, like tortilla chips that have a hint of lime? Or have you seen them?
Mm-mm.
They have Tostitos that have a hint of lime. Out of 5, what would you rate it?
4.
I would rate it, yeah, probably a 3 or a 4. Would you buy them again?
Depends.
I don't think they have like enough flavor.
No.
They just taste like lime. If I told you these were lime Doritos, would you believe it?
Yeah.
Alright, candy number 2. So like everyone grew up in the 90s knowing about the ring pop gummy, like ring pop candies, but they came out with a gummies that you apparently wear. Yeah, yeah. There's cherry, strawberry, watermelon, blue raspberry. Which one do you want?
Cherry.
Oh, why do you like cherry?
I don't know. It's a common flavor.
Smell them. They smell good.
A lot of different flavors.
Okay, here. Apparently you're supposed to wear it. I'll have strawberry. I mean, they're not that sticky, so you can wear them. They look kind of like gushers on your finger.
I'm bored. Ew.
Oh, they don't really taste.
They're like soap.
Yeah, they do taste like soap.
Trying to kill children.
Oh. Like, the gummy texture is good, but it tastes... But now I'm thinking, maybe ring pops just taste like soap. Because you do taste like the inside of the ring pops. But I think the gummy flavor makes it taste like soap. I'd rate these like a 1 or 2 out of 5.
I'm weird a 0.
A 0?
It's not even worth money.
Okay, would you buy... So you wouldn't buy them again?
No.
Okay. Next one, which you pick a chip. Okay, these ones are really weird. My foot's falling asleep. These ones are really weird. They're Lay's roasted chicken chips. Sorry, I have to put them here or else the camera won't focus on them. Yeah, they're Lay's roast chicken chips, and the guy at the grocery store said they were good. Apparently it's like a British thing. I don't know. Hold on.
Maybe he's British.
Maybe. I made a decision myself. Because I'm falling asleep on my foot. Yeah, so apparently the guy at the grocery store said that he tried them from Britain and they were delicious. But I don't know how. Why would I want a roasted chicken potato chip? I have no idea.
They like roasted chicken. Maybe no one wanted to cook the roasted chicken and they just said, let's just put it in the chip.
Oh, that's so weird. It smells like chicken skin. It's
Like
it
a
smells like a
chip.
cooked chicken. No, smell it. It smells like
Ew.
chicken. Or, you know the chicken, like the bouillon cubes, like chicken broth, chicken in a cup powder stuff? That's what it smells like. Boop. Ugh.
No
It's
good.
disgusting. Oh. It tastes like cat food.
So there you go. I don't
What
even
is that
know.
flavor?
Apparently in Britain, I think it's chicken.
Okay, throw it in the garbage. I don't want to
Ugh.
eat it. That's disgusting. The guy said it was going to be good.
He's a
He
liar.
lied. I'm not eating these. Alrighty. Next candy.
Jolly Rancher.
Jolly Rancher Juicy Bursts. They're liquid filled.
Liquid?
Yeah, it says right here, liquid filled. Not even like candy or jelly filled, just liquid filled.
Exploded jelly. Explosion jelly. Julie's.
Jutus.
Whatever.
Jutus. I don't know, it's French. There's watermelon. See, there's no blue raspberry this time. There's just watermelon, green apple, and cherry. So you want green apple?
Sure.
I don't know, that's what you asked for last time.
No.
Okay, don't half bite these. You have to actually put them fully in your mouth. That one looks like an apple. I'll have watermelon. And these ones look more like gusher. Like, I like this kind of gummy more. Look. Okay. Boop. Ooh, that's cool. It tastes like a gusher.
Mm.
You don't like it?
No.
Was green apple bad?
No.
They have chips on you.
Mm.
Let me try it. Green apple.
No.
The green apple one's gonna taste good. Try cherry. No?
Yeah. No.
So 0 out of 5?
0.
If you like explosion candy and like juicy
Jolly Rancher.
Jolly Ranchers, this is probably like a 3 out of 5. But I wouldn't buy them again. Well, that was disappointing. I didn't think you're actually gonna like not like it that much. Okay. Lay's. Again, with the weird flavors. This time they came out with fries and gravy. It's like they wanted us to have like the roasted chicken with the fries and gravy. Ew, I wonder what the chip would taste like together. If you like sandwich both
If
of them.
someone makes them,
Or no, if you just put 2 chips in your
or
mouth.
that. Ooh, that
It smells like poutine.
Yeah.
If you guys don't know, or if you're from the States, poutine is like fries with gravy and cheese curds. So that's probably why, obviously, it says fries and gravy. So they're really just gravy flavored potato chips, because fries are just potatoes.
Pretty much.
So they're just gravy flavored potato chips.
Good.
This one's not bad.
Not bad.
I would eat this again. I'd actually buy it. They kind of taste like... To me, they taste kind of like... They remind me of the flavor of like salt and vinegar, but also like the tang of ketchup chips.
I'd give it a 4.
I would give it 4 or 5 out of 5. But they don't look anything like the picture. Like, the picture looks like dirty potatoes. And they just look like crispier potato chips. Yeah, they were good. I would buy them again. Alrighty. Are you ready for the last one? So we got, this is how this whole thing started. I saw these Warhead gummy sour candies, but they're not the extreme ones. They're just the sour candy. So I thought like, oh, these are gonna be sour. Because everything I've tried from the dollar store, it never tastes sour. I tried the sour sour Jolly Ranchers, the sour rainbow strips, and none of them taste that sour. So hopefully Warheads does not disappoint.
They never disappoint.
I've only ever had them, and I can never eat a full one.
Never.
Like, I've only had the little, like, candies.
Oh.
Okay, so there's black cherry, apple, orange, watermelon, strawberry, or blue raspberry.
I'll take orange.
Ew, really?
Yeah.
You like all the flavors I don't like, so we could share, like, a bag. Oh, wait. They're mixed together. So how about orange? Oh, it's orange. Okay, so it's... Oh, I don't understand why it's like that. So this one's gonna be apple and orange. Don't eat it yet.
Oh, they're mixed.
That one's mixed together. But this one's blue raspberry, and I guess no, that's not blue raspberry. That's orange too.
Doesn't smell like anything.
This is apple. I'm looking for a blue one. That's not blue.
I just eat one.
I don't like the orange ones. Okay, fine. We're just gonna go with this one. I don't know what flavor it is. It doesn't smell like anything. Hopefully it doesn't rip our tongues right off. Okay. Boop. What the heck? It's not even sour!
I think they just put it on the package to make you buy it. Love the picture. It's like, it's so sour. But it's not.
It is so sour.
Rip off.
What the heck? Something's wrong with these. Like, they must be at the dollar store because they're like, they're not the proper ones. Like, there's no way. Why is this one brown?
Eat it. See what it is.
No, I'd be black cherry.
Oh, yeah.
Just eat the tip part off. What the heck? Even the outside's not sour. It just tastes like sugar.
It tastes like nothing.
Are you sure? Okay, let me get one that has
Nothing.
the same color on the end. Yeah, it doesn't taste like anything. What a ripoff. I want to call Warheads. This is terrible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll leave Emily's Instagram down below, even though she's probably not going to accept you as a follower because she is weird like that and doesn't even follow me. Well, if you do, her Instagram will be linked in the description down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.